Y'all know I love me a good recipe that is fancy and don't take a long time to make. So today I'm showing you guys how to make the most delicious chimichurri steak bites. You can pair it with rice, potatoes, asparagus, broccoli, you name it. Before I begin, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like this video if it was helpful, and let's jump right in. We're going to start by making our chimichurri. So I have a bowl here. I already prep everything so I don't waste your time. So I have some cilantro in here, also some parsley. Just pour it in here. Next, we're going in with about 4 cloves of garlic. I'm going in with some onion. You can use shallots or red onion. I'm adding some bell peppers for colors. I like using bell peppers. Okay, a little bit. And also some dried oregano. Some pepper flakes to make it spicy. Of course, you can add more if you like it extremely spicy. We're gonna season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, some red wine vinegar. Don't skip on that one. And also some lime juice. And last but not least, we're going in with lots of olive oil. Mix it together, just like so. Now we make this ahead of time so it can actually sit and soak all that vinegar, the oil, the salt, you know, and the pepper, of course. And now let's give it a taste to see if we like it. Oh, it does have a kick. It has a kick to it, okay? So we're going to cover this, place it in the fridge while we cook the steak. Okay, now we're going to start seasoning the steak. I have 3 ribeye steak here. I'm going to cut them in bite-sized pieces. Now we're going to cut some of the fat out. You don't wanna chew on these fat. Just cut it like this. Just bite-sized pieces. All right, guys, we have the steak nice and diced up. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil so we can season it. For the seasoning, I'm using a little bit of onion and garlic powder, paprika, and also some salt and pepper, okay? So mix it together and mix your seasoning. And we're going to generously, when I say generously, we want to generously season it, okay? No bland steak over here. Oopsie. Going to mix it really good so we can get that flavor in there. And just like that, the steak is nice and seasoned. Let's go ahead and pan sear it. I have my cast iron here. It's very hot, as y'all can see. I'm going to pour the olive oil in here. Now let's add the steak right in. Yes, that sizzle, you want to hear it, okay? Because you want that steak to have a beautiful sear on it. So you need that sizzle right there. You really need it. Add it in. I'm gonna let it go for a good 3 minutes. And then we'll flip it over. Perfect. All right, guys, it is time to flip the steak over. As you can see, we have a beautiful color going on. Yes, yes, yes. Carefully flip it over. Smells amazing already. Ooh, Oof, oof. Yes, ma'am. So every bite is going to have some beautiful flavor to it, because that seasoning is really sticking on each and every steak bite. So that's what we want, that beautiful golden brown color. Yes, yes, yes. Let's add a little bit of butter to give it that buttery flavor. Ooh. And then we're gonna give it a nice mix all together. All right, let's give it a nice, beautiful mix with that butter. That looks really good. And it smells amazing already. Wow. Looks so good. Looks amazing. All right, you guys, the steak is done. As you guys can see, it's looking good, smelling amazing. I wish you guys were here to smell the aroma. I'm going to take it out so we can add that chimichurri on top. Looks really, really good. First of all, this plate is gorgeous. Second of all, my mouth is watering. So let's try this steak. Oh my goodness. Juicy, flavorful, buttery at the same time. Wow. It is amazing. You can pair this with white rice, some avocado on the side, a little asparagus, broccoli. Like, the options are endless. I hope you guys try this out. My God. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Before I let you guys go, I want you to do me one favor. Share this video with someone you know who's gonna love this recipe. And also don't forget to like this recipe today, right now, as you're watching. As you can see, you probably haven't seen my videos in your feed in a while. It's because YouTube is not pushing it, because they see you guys are not interact with me. So comment down below, steak bite, and also share this video for me, like it, do all the good things so I can keep coming on here and share my delicious recipes with you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.